What's up guys? Have you ever forgotten the password of EFI? EFI PadLock. So you want to install a new system on your MacBook or the other iMac and Mac Mini, but you forgot the EFI, the password for the EFI. So in this case, you have to unlock the EFI lock. And I know some of you guys, a lot of people, they have contacted us. They were like searching for solutions for this problem. So today we have this. We're gonna introduce you guys. We bring you guys a new device here. So this is a device gonna help us to unlock the EFI lock for the MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and also iMac, Mac Mini. So for a lot of models, only a few models we cannot unlock it, but the most of them we can unlock the EFI lock. And I'm new on this. This is my computer, and we just set the EFI lock. And I'm gonna pretend that I don't know the EFI lock. So I'm gonna ask my technician. He's gonna teach me. So I'm gonna do the whole process. He's gonna teach me to use this device. So this is device DS809. So he's gonna teach me to use this device and to unlock this EFI lock. And this box actually, if you buy from us, actually I think you buy from somewhere else, but if you buy from us, we're gonna have a lot of videos to support you guys for different models. So, and also I personally gonna explain to you guys in English, and in the future I'm gonna do a few some videos in Spanish to let you guys understand how we do this. Gonna show you guys step by step. So now I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna put my computer here. So my camera guy's gone over here. I'm gonna do the whole process by myself. So here we go. We're gonna power on. So we're gonna click this option button. Let's say I forgot it, or you buy a second-hand computer or laptop, somebody block it, okay? So in this case, you have to install. You know what I mean, right? So in this case, you need to install new system. So this is the system I have here, the USB. But you say we have a lock here. So this is the EFI lock. We're gonna, as we can see, this computer cannot recognize this new system. So I cannot install a new system because I forgot this EFI lock. So in this case, we're gonna use this device. This is the device we have, and we're gonna use this screwdriver because we're gonna open the rear cover, the battery cover of this MacBook. So now what we can do? So we have to power off, right? So in this case, we power off the computer, laptop. Actually, there are several cases. Your computer forgot it, or you buy a second-hand computer, or some other cases, but you forgot the EFI lock, and you need to install a new system. Or in this case, you get rid of the EFI lock, you install a new system, then that's yours. So now nobody, the other people, they cannot take it back, or the second-hand people, they cannot. A lot of cases that happen with this second-hand computers. So in this case, I'm going to teach you guys how to unlock the computer. So now we have to oh, those two are like smaller, right? Shorter. Those two are shorter, the rest of them the same size. This is my computer, and because my computer is like old version, this is like 2015, so it's gonna be easier. And we also have another one, this is like 2016, so this is like 15 inches. So this one is like a little bit more steps, a little bit more complicated than this one, but this one is really easy. No. Because I'm not a technician now, so I'm only asking my technician to teach me how to do this. So so how can we open this one? From this side, okay. As I told you guys, I'm not a technician. Use faucet. Oh, okay, living harder. Okay, they're like socket here. So let's say this is the battery. Here's the battery. Battery here. Oh, okay, here's the battery. So I'm gonna. He's teaching me. So this is the right. Is that okay? Okay. Now what's the next step?
SAM 做。
SAM. Okay. So this is the SAM socket. So this is SAM socket. Okay. Here. So and I need to find out. So this is the.
这插上去就可以了。
This is the check.
第一脚，它都是左下角就这样嘛。这个第一呢，这个我们的左下角是第一脚，对应了我们这个座子第一脚，就这样插上去就可以了。
This is okay, right?
第一脚嘛。然后对应的这个桌子是左下角，每一个基本上都是这样的，是。
Okay, as we can see, there is like a circle.
这第一
circle. So this is the. You have to do. So sometimes. It's like face to me or whatever.
这个对应的一般的下面，这个你插反了也没关系，它是，就是你反过来插，它最多读取的会报错。
Okay. It says if you put like the wrong size, I mean the reverse, so it has like errors there. So in this case, you just change another side. So now it's okay, right?
对，可以。
Okay.
然后打开这个盖子。
Now we. So we do like this.
插上电。
So now we need to use the. Remember, connect one more time. Okay, now.
它会自动开机，然后我们要关机，看着等着看着开了，没开就不用管，就是可以了，连电脑。然后就操作。
自动开了。
开了是吧？开了就关掉，就按这个键一直按着它就可以了。
So now my computer is automatically.
对，就这样就可以。然后呢，就是可以。
Power on. So, but you need to power off. So you need to make sure it's power off. Connect to power, and when it is automatically power on, you need to power off. So connect to here. Just make sure is everything connected. Now this cable goes to my Windows. Goes to my Windows system. So now it's okay. I'm gonna show them the two systems. Those two systems, there is iFix program, there is Hex. So now we're like, we're doing this or not? Okay, make sure we have, so where's the, no, we have to, wait a second. So we're gonna do this again, okay? Oh, sorry. We're gonna do like a screen, okay. So now we go to the iFix program, right? Okay, we go to the iFix program. The first program you need to download is iFix program. iFix program. Detect a new software. You don't? Okay. So now we rate. Identify. So first thing we have like a click OK. The chip or the socket, click cancel to click OK to check in the chip or the socket. Like this.
哦，它开机了。就按着开机，关住开机键不让它开机。刚才报错了。
So why it's like restart?
再重新来就可以。
So remember, you have to make sure the computer is always like power off. So now it's currently it's okay. And now it's okay. Now we rate. That's not huge. Do we have to?
就是按着开机键，按着开机键一直按着它，不让它开机也可以。我要点着读取。
One more time, OK。
它又打开了，它又开了。是让它关机，你一直按着那个关机键就可以，一直按着那个电源，不让它开机。
Okay, you have to make sure you can hold this button. I mean the power off button. Make sure it's always like a.
一直按着它。
We have to like keep like click. I mean the pressing the button. Make sure this computer, this laptop is always power off. So now.
在我点的这个读取，先把这个资料读出来。
So first thing we have to read. We have to read.
这个就是保存。
Now we save it. Okay, we save it to the desktop. Okay, we save it. So this is let's check which one is. This is 8. So it goes to hex I repair. Okay. Now we search.
Yes.
This is what we're supposed to. It's like US dollar. SVS. We go there. Okay. So this is right. Where?
上面。这里开始，就这个 SVS 在这里嘛。
SVS OK。
这我们不要去动它，就从这个0开始，这个拉，这个往下拉，点着这个左键，然后一直往上拉。这些全部都是密码，拉到最下面，拉到这个 FF 这里，拉到这里。
When you saw FF, you stop.
这全部都是密码。
So as soon as we see the, because I'm learning, as we see the SVS, so we find the 00. We find a 00, then we go up.
点着左键。
We go all the way back, all the way down to FF. Then we change it to FF. We edit. We edit the fill block, right?
Yes.
Okay, then fill block, then FF. Then we okay. Now we save it because this one we save it. We save it. Then we because now we open this. This is the MX25 Mexico 25. MX25 MX. Where's the MX? Okay, here's the MX25. We open it. Then we open it because now we open it now because we have to write inside because we already read it. Now we change those. I mean the password. Use another software. Hex repair. Now we open it. Now we write it. I write this into my computer. Now the EFI lock is already unlocked. Okay, now it's okay, it's already done. It says arrange the speed of this verification successful and the elapsed time is 9.3 seconds. Now we disconnect this part and we power on. Now we don't need that. Okay, the computer. So this here we connect to the battery. Oh, because here we have to see if we can install the. That's just to pretend we need to install system. Okay, that's just pretend we want to install system. because I have my all the information here. Just pretend we have to install a system. You can install a Mac OS High serial. So this is like, as I explained to you guys, this is second-hand computer. Somebody blocked your EFI lock. Now you get rid of the EFI lock. Now you can install your own system. Your own system, you can have your password or whatever. Then becomes your. So nobody gonna bother you because that's your. You have bought a second-hand computer. So nobody gonna bother you in the future. So get rid of the EFI lock. So this is all about the. I have already unlocked the computer, my computer, EFI lock on my computer, and I'm gonna keep doing more videos to show you guys in Spanish to make sure you guys to understand better, because a lot of people, our followers, they're from Spanish speaking country, so I'm gonna keep doing more videos in English and also Spanish to make sure you guys understand what we are, the whole process we're doing. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, and if you like our video, please like our video, give us a like, and also click the notification bell. It's around the corner, so remember to click this bell to receive our latest video. And thanks again for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.